Today we've got a great combination of grays and blacks, but the beauty of this is they're $9.99, except for the last one. They're $9.99. These are some great sales, great prices. This is a cotton poly. It's grays, beautiful, great drape. Just incredible drape. Cotton poly, just a pretty fabric. It's really pretty fabric. And then I put in some combinations that go with it. This is 100% viscose. This is $9.99. And this is a really good fabric too. It's got the gray and the brown, and rarely do you see this together. So this has stretch in one direction, well, two directions. I take that back. 100% viscose. I didn't give you stretch on this. This is a cotton poly and has stretch in both directions. There's a shine side and a matte side. So either side you like, or you could let both sides show, and that would be really pretty too. You can see it's got really good drape. All right, this has stretch in both directions, but just not a lot of stretch. It's less stretch, but it is stretch in both directions. It's 100% viscose with little berries and florals, and they're pretty. They're very pretty. This is a 100% viscose also, and it almost looks like a woven. It's very pretty, but it's not. It's a knit, and it has stretch in one direction. So very pretty again. Beautiful color. Color is really gorgeous. This is an Alexander Wang. This is a reversible scuba. It has the black and it has the white, and this is $9.99 also. We're just kind of putting it from our house to yours. Love this. This is a dual border. It's 100% viscose also. So that what you see there is reversed on the other side also. The greens, the oranges, the purples, they're all together, or cut it up and use parts you like and don't like parts you don't like. But 100% viscose, great drape, stretch in both directions. Very pretty. Italian fabric, just really beautiful. Again, $9.99. This last fabric is a Versace. This is not $9.99, but it's a good sale price. It's a good sale price, and it's beautiful, and it is really beautiful. So it will be considerably off, but not $9.99. But anyway, this has a pattern to it. It's a very light texture. It'd be beautiful for ribbing. Very light texture. Has stretch in both directions. And just a beautiful hand. It's really a beautiful piece of fabric. All right, so for Thursday fabrics, y'all stay warm. We have lots of snow here in Dallas. Yay! Happy sewing.